If you're looking to buy a home in 2024, this video is for you. So here's 3 things you need to know if you're planning on buying a home next year. Number 1 is going to be understanding the market, right? So what are we coming into? So rates are slowly dropping. We're down to about a 6 nationally, which is way less than the 8 we were at around the first of the year, this year in 2023. So as rates continue to drop, more and more people are going to enter the market. So there's a lot of people on the fence right now. They're like, the rate drops just a little bit, then I'm gonna buy a house. If I call a client right now and say, I don't really want to buy a house right now because, rates are in the 6s. I said, well, what if rates are at 5? Would you buy a house? Well, yeah. So that's where most people are at, right? They're waiting for the rates to drop even just a little bit more, and they're gonna pull the trigger and jump back into the market. And especially with the spring market right around the corner, there's gonna be so much competition, more so than what you have right now. So buying a home within this next few months is going to be the sweet spot to get a great house at a great deal with not a lot of competition. And then if rates do drop even more, then you can always refinance. And a lot of lenders right now are offering free refis because they know that a lot of people are on the fence because they're waiting for the rate to drop. So it's a win-win all around if you can buy a home in just the next couple months here versus waiting until the spring market is in full swing. So that's the market you're in right now. Currently, sellers are a little bit more negotiable. It's more of a buyer's market right now. But if you wait, you're going to be dealing with a lot of multiple offers. It's going to be a seller's market, and you're going to end up potentially paying a lot more for the same house than you would in the next couple months here. So keep that in mind. Number 2 is going to be talk to a lender. I think this part scares a lot of people, but just know that talking to a lender is free. It's not going to affect your credit score. They're going to be able to open up a whole world of options to you. All the lenders that we work with that I would refer you to are amazing at what they do, and building a plan that matches your budget and suits your needs that is going to work out for you. A lot of people think, it's like a scary thing, but yet you really don't know how much house you can afford and what payments are going to look like unless you talk to the lender. So lenders can look at, what loan types are the best for you, what kind of credits and programs are available out there that could suit your needs and what your real estate goals are. That's what the lender is supposed to do. They're supposed to be kind of a researcher and an advocate to get you the right payment that you're looking for that gets you in the home that you want. So that's the lender's job. And if your lender's not doing that for you, I would consider searching for another lender, because there really is no one size fits all in lending, because everyone's situation is different. So once you talk to the lender, that's step 2. You're going to have a plan and know that your approvals are good for several months. So you don't have to worry about I'm not ready to buy until, don't talk to the lender a month before you're ready to buy a house, because that's kind of really squeezing your time down, and it's going to make the process a little bit more stressful. Whereas talking to the lender in advance, working out that game plan and kind of what you're looking for, how much closing costs you might need to ask for, and things like that are going to make your home purchase way, way smoother. Before we get to the last one, my name is Henze. I run the Top Hat Connections real estate team with Keller Williams, serving Tulsa and the surrounding areas. So if you're looking to make a move to Oklahoma, we'd love to help you make that smooth transition, whether it's now or in the future. So the last one is going to be have a plan, right? So you have your budget in place, you know how much closing costs you might need to ask for. The next step is going to be, what do you actually want? What school district do you like? What neighborhoods do you like? What do you want in your house? Do you want a pool? Do you not want a pool? Do you like 2-story houses? Do you want a single-story house? Do you need a mother-in-law suite in your house? All of those things, you need to make a needs list and then a wants list. So needs are something, we have to have this. There's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. And the wants list is, if the house has this, that'd be even great. It'd be a bonus, but it's not something I have to have in this future home. And that will help you get clarity around what you're really looking for, and it will make the process a lot smoother, because no one wants to look at 70-some houses. It gets very monotonous and you kind of get discouraged after a while. So being very clear in the beginning of what you're looking for can help make the process even better for you. So hope that helps you out. Of course, if you have any real estate questions, feel free to reach out to me. I would love to help you make that smooth real estate transition in 2024, whether it's buying, selling, or investing. Hope you guys have a great day. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it, and share it with a friend who's considering purchasing a home in 2024. And I'll see you in the next video.